to go now. Race number 2. Good luck to your winner. Take all gates open, that up, and racing. We have Stoneface, the Rose for your lead, moving up by the rail Small Star. In between runners, Devil in Disguise. Then comes Dream Maker. Heading towards the 1,000 meter mark is Stoneface in command by about a length and a half. Small Star is in second. Dream Maker moving up by the rail. Running on the outside, Devil in Disguise. Then moving up is the favorite. And this one is Dugo's favorite. Getting personal pass approaching on the outside as they race towards the last 600. We have Dugo's favorite now takes the lead over Stoneface. Dream Maker is running by the rail third, racing in fourth. Devil in Disguise running alongside now, getting personal, sneaking in down on the inside. Small Star, Rivaldo, then comes entry number 1 Prince Carlo, and trailing the group is Buenas Hope as they turn for home. Dugo's favorite leading the field, running by the rail is Stoneface. Dream Maker sneaking in down on the inside. Buenas Hope, and moving up now is Getting Personal to take second with the last 100 meters more to run. Dugo's favorite winning this race by about 4 over Getting Personal, Devil in Disguise, Rivaldo, Prince Carlo, Small Star, Buenas Hope is Stoneface, and Dream Maker is the last runner to come home.